Okay, welcome everyone to the Success Catalyst Digital Solutions class. This material is here to help you and to simplify um, the creation of slides for you, and now you add up new slides to your work. So you quickly move to the app you want to use. We're using Google Slides. So once you click on Google Slides, you have the plus option here, which means to create a new slide or to choose a template. Once you click it, it shows you this. When you choose a template, it means you want to work on already existing work. That is a plan, like something has been done, so you want to build on it. So as a beginner, I will advise you don't use this because you want to learn the basics and have understanding of how to create things on your own. So don't go for choosing a template. So you go back. What you do, go back to the plus option, create a new presentation. So in the process of creating a new presentation, it's quite important that we understand the features of what we have. So you have the first, you can see this environment. You have double tap to add title, and double tap to add subtitle. Beneath here you have the box with letter T, that is your text. You have this box. The next is the box with like photo. It means that you can insert an image either from your photos, from gallery or from camera. Then this is for shapes, which we have basic shapes. We have arrow, you have your flow chart, you have your call out, you have your equations and all. So take note. Then you have your basic lines as well. That is when you want to use. If you want to insert a basic line, you have it here. Come back. You don't need that, so you undo. So back to the basic line, you have your elbow connector and your curved connector just for your use. Then you have this table here, which is next, your columns and your rows when you want to insert them in your work. Then the next is your slides. So that's different sections and different parts, probably for title only, main points, just one column text. You have section, title, and descriptions. You have big number, you have captions, you have blank slides just to type on. Whichever one you want to use, you go ahead and use. So, and the last one that looks like a brush, use it to change your theme. And you can also use from this option. Take note, once you click on this three dots on top, you can see the third option is change theme. Change your theme. Once you change your theme, once you click on change your theme, it will bring different theme for you. So let's go back to the main theme. What do you do now? You want to present on personal hygiene. So you have to double tap. Just follow the simple instruction, double tap. Once you double tap, you can see it opens. So type your title here, personal hygiene. When you say that your personal hygiene, it gives you this. Then your subtitle can be something simple. Let's say 3 steps to living a healthy life. That's it. So now you're done with this. Are you okay with what you're doing? If you're okay with it, fine. So what you do next is you check your theme. Do you prefer this white theme or you want another theme? So what you do is for another theme, you can click on the last three dots on top here to change your theme. So when you click here, you can see you have different theme. And what's the effect? Once you click on this, let's say you want to choose focus here now or streamline. Let's go for focus. It's applying theme, and you have personal hygiene, and then you have 3 steps to this. 3 steps or 3 tips to living a healthy life. So you can increase the size of your font. okay, the size of the letters by picking from any one of them. Just go ahead and pick, so you can see it's more legible, and then you can see it clearly. So you can do something that, change it back. Okay, you can rotate and just have something good. Rotate again. Okay, can you see this? So you can bring it up a little. So you have your work here. So let's go quickly. Shift it up a little. All right. So next, you can change your text background as well. You see this text, everything here. After changing your theme, you have this major theme on focus. Now, the text you've written, let's say for this, you want to change the background, you can have something unique. That's, you can change the color of your text. So something unique to, let's say, your personal hygiene is white, but 3 steps to living a healthy life can be in any color you desire. However, you have to be mindful of the color choice you make. All right. So let's say this now. So you can make it this way. So next is, having seen that, okay, having done this, you can do further adjustment, okay, but just on a basic note, since you're doing something simple. So here now, you're done with your first slide. Then next, let's say you want to add a page. You can see, you click on the next button here, the last button here on top of the brush like button. It shows like a folder and plus. So you click on it. Once you click on it, it gives you the option to add slide. Right. So what type of slide would you love to add? What type of slide would you love to add? Is it just title, main points, or blank? So let's say you want to add a main point. All right. So when you say your main point, here's what you do. You just double tap and you go ahead. Since you say 3 steps to living a healthy life, okay, let's say number 1, you want to say stay hydrated. That's drink enough water. So when you say you stay hydrated, what does it mean? You may choose to explain it. Okay, so ensure you drink enough clean water. Clean water. Always. So if you're okay with this, fine. So you're done with your second slide. You want to add another slide. Probably you want to change the color of your slide. You understand how you change your color, right? And if you want to bold your work, you can click on this capital B, bold. So when you click on it, it will bold it. And when you want to unbold it, click on the B again, it will remove it. So you bold, and next. Let's say you want to put a bullet, you put a bullet. So you want to remove the bullet, you click again. So when you want to add another slide, you click on this, okay, to add your slide. So let's say what you want to add again is title and 2 columns, or you want to have, okay, for the purpose of your work, just go to main point again, click on main point and add your second work. So the first point is stay hydrated. Next, eat fruit always. Eat fruit always, or you say you always eat fruit. Okay, and so let's say you're done with this is just a basic, so take note. You can add again, so your main point again, and let's say you want to do this quickly. You want to add the third stuff, you double tap. So what you do, you have let's say heat balance diet. So that's it. So you want to change, give it a title. So you come here, click on this, go to title. So it already suggests the first for the title you put in. That's the topic, the title of your work. So if you're cool with it, just press OK. It bears that. So you can go back. And to have a view, a direct view, you can come in here to say that you want to have this. So this is what you have just done. And don't forget you can change your colors as well. Okay, from this you can always change your color. So let's say you want to edit your work, you double tap or you double click. Once you do that, you can now come to change theme for this. For your slide 2, you want to change theme. So once it's loading your theme and it's downloading, you can go ahead and pick the kind of theme you like. Alright, so your slide 1 have a different, everything now has changed, take note. So, and the color of your font, so whatever you want to do, here's how you do. So you save your work and that's all. Okay, so you move back and you go ahead and save. You want to send your copy to someone. What you do is to manage your access. Once you click on manage your access, you come to this place. You say that okay, you want to restrict view, so you change the restrictions. So not only people to be added, anyone with the link can view. So once you put it this way, you can see this link sign. Copy your link from here, and if you do not want to copy your link from there, come back here and click on this dot. You can see the options on the copy link. So once you copy link, it's the same thing you have copied, and that is all. So you're good to go. I hope this helps. Thank you and have a good day.